This is an AutoTest product video for the AutoStop Suspension Meter, a compact battery-powered handheld shock absorber tester that uses both the rebound method and damping ratio. Turn on the suspension meter by pressing the on-off switch. Follow the prompts to run a new test and select the wheel being tested. For accurate results, make sure the car has been driven for 5 minutes in the last 30. Attach the suspension meter to the body panel nearest to the wheel being tested. Press any key when ready to test. Drive approximately 1 metre and brake to a stop. Display the results from currently conducted suspension test. Follow the prompts to save or view the test result or repeat the test. Repeat steps for all wheels. The AutoStop suspension meter can be secured in any angle. The unit will self-align. The front wheels drive the vehicle forward and use the foot brake. The rear wheels drive the vehicle backwards and use the hand brake. For printing, press 3 or press 2 to view your test results in the main menu. View each test by pressing Enter. Hit 9 to bring up results. Hold down the power on your AutoTest Bluetooth printer and wait for the red light to appear. Press 1 on your AutoStop suspension meter to print results. This will find the Bluetooth printer. Wait for the blue light to appear, meaning they are now paired to each other. Press Enter and this will print the results for all wheels tested. At AutoTest, we have our own range of consumable products which have been tested and designed to suit our units. Paper packs specific to the AutoTest Bluetooth printer are sold in a 4-pack. This can be purchased directly from our website for your convenience at autotest.net.au.